Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at how to use a mainsail wind shadow when you need to furl the Genoa, swap out headsails, or work on a repair in the foredeck area. In the first position, we are on a close-hauled course in rough weather, and we want to shift to a smaller sail. Before we send the foredeck crew forward, let's fall off to a deep broad reach. When we ease the mainsail all the way out, this places the foredeck area in a wind shadow. This will be much flatter and safer and calmer for the foredeck crew to work. We can also bring the clew of the headsail closer to the center line so that we don't have sheets in the way of the foredeck crew. Now send your foredeck crew forward, wait until they complete their task, and return to the safety of the cockpit before you return to your base sailing track on a close-hauled course. Now you know how to use the mainsail wind shadow when you need to furl the Genoa, change out to a smaller headsail, or make a repair in the foredeck area in rough weather. Use easy sailing tips like these for safer sailing on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.